Hey guys, it's Jonathan with ByteForge. I've been flipping PCs for about 8 months now, and I've made every mistake pretty much that you can make. Today I'm going to save you the time, the money, and the dignity and share a few tips with you. That way you don't make the same mistakes I did. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, don't dump all your money into one project. Who knows how long you're going to sit on it. You could be sitting on a $1,000 project for 2 weeks after it's built, and you'll see all these great deals fly on by. You got a 3060 Ti with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Can't buy it, it's only $180, but all your money's tied up into this other build for God knows how long. So yeah, always save a little bit of money so you can grab those deals when they come by. The sweet spot for flipping builds right now is going to be around $800, $1,200 with Christmas and tax season coming. So definitely prepare for that. Tip number 2, check your parts like a detective. Bent CPU pins, bent motherboard pins, burnout parts, parts that smell like cigarettes. You don't want any of that stuff. You don't want to sell your customer a computer that smells like Marlboro Reds. It's just gross, all right? Always look before you buy. If you can't test it, just give it a great inspection. I have failed at that miserably a few times. I've bought motherboards with bent pins, I've bought CPUs with bent pins, I've bought fried graphics cards. It's just a bad day. So do the best you can to check it if you can't test it. Tip number 3, don't underestimate looks. Specs, I always thought they were the best thing you wanted to show off. Honestly, people shop with their eyes first. A $30 ARGB fan kit or a tempered glass $60 case will do you wonders. It'll definitely help your sale and it'll go a lot faster. You'll get rid of your project and move on to the next one. People shop with their eyes. Tip number 4, speed beats perfection. If you're like me, you want your builds to be 100% perfect. You want them to look amazing. A lot of times they look amazing and you just find the littlest things. No, list it, sell it, move on to your next project. Make that little bit of profit if you can. You don't want to spend days or weeks on one project. The point is to get it fixed, make it look great, make it run great, and get rid of it. Move on to the next one. Get your money. Tip number 5, like we talked about earlier a little bit, you want to keep a cash buffer. You want to be able to snag those Facebook Marketplace deals right when they come up. Usually I like to keep around $200 to $300 just in case. A lot of times you can even get a full build for that. So it's always good to keep a little bit of extra money in the bank in case you find those great deals. Tip number 6, sell to buyers, not builders. Nobody outside of us nerds know what an R7 5600X is or an i5 12400F. They want to know if it plays Warzone, how fast it plays Warzone, and if it can handle it good. It wants to know if it plays Fortnite at 200 FPS and 1440p. They want to know if it plays the new AAA games at 200 FPS. That's all they want to know. They don't want to know the specs in the title. They'll get to that when they click on it after seeing your cool ARGB fans and your sweet tempered glass case. And tip number 7, this is going to be a money-saving hack. Windows keys. Don't buy $100 Windows keys. Don't buy $75 Windows keys. I use OEM keys from Kingwin. They're like $15 to $16. Every ByteForge build gets an activated copy of Windows 11. And yeah, the buyers love that. They love having an activated version of Windows. It looks way more professional, and honestly, it adds about $50 to $100 in value. And I'll drop my link in the description if you want to grab the same ones I use. So there you go, 7 flipping tips I've had to learn the hard way from. If it saves you some time, some money, some dignity, then it was all worth it. If you've made some mistakes in the past, leave a comment below so others can learn from it. Until then, keep your builds clean, keep your buyers happy, and keep flipping. Thanks guys, appreciate it.